on service area.
طيب هنتعمل بالفاتورة على
You
الله.
can see email and
رايح
password,
معرض
right?
هوريك يا
So
هيطلع من
you
معرض هوريك
don't have
على
right now. You have to create
في الشيفت.
it. Okay? To create new user.
ايوه
Yes.
بس لا اكسر ولا
Now it will ask you the phone number,
مين اللي بيعمل
right?
الفاتورة؟ مين اللي بيعمل
Consultant, dealer,
السعر؟
service center user. So your service, right? Click on service.
طيب مين اللي مع السيد حسن هاشم عندك من
DDC.
Register your account. Email ID, password, confirm password,
خلاص
first name,
شوف
last name, company name, company address, everything you have to fill up here. Someone fill up now. Maybe you can help others as well. Password, make sure you have written like caps. My name, for example, my name is Sagar. Yes, A small Sagar at the rate 1 2 3. Maybe create like this. You know, with capital letters, small letters at the rate. This is an example. I'm not. That is not my password actually.
Ito yung magana sa cellphone ko.
Ganyan na kamo. Ganyan sa akin.
Tapos,
Tapos bit mo agad 10.
Just create it
saan dito 10?
and we can get
Tignan mo yung 20 boss. Saan yung...
Yan, service.
Iba yung tinuturo si Rangelo sa'yo boss. Iba yung tinuturo niya. Na-receive na ata yun eh.
Bigla sa akin.
Binigay na.
Lumalabas siya.
Yes,
Yung
please.
user ka. Ito ang user.
Make sure you put your
Pwede ba yan?
right email ID.
Email
Because
ID.
it will send one link to that email ID. You have to activate the account.
Update kasi cellphone ko.
Confirm.
Anyone new in Mabruk here or like
We are new.
who is new here?
7 months.
7 months. Remaining all
Yeah.
like old from any year in Mabruk? How many years?
18 years.
16 years.
Bawal ko.
Much, huh? That is
I think so.
You contacted me many times.
Me?
Yes, in video call. I don't know. I think I can.
No, I talked to you one time.
No, who's contacting me?
Jos.
Joe, I guess. Who's Joe? He left, huh?
No, I talked to you one time.
You also contacted me.
Video call with another guy from Italy. No, we are three. We doing video call.
In big go on issue.
Yeah, you asked me about.
That is product code. This is an example. This is example. Don't enter always this for any model. If you are installing different model, don't enter this one. Enter what model you are installing. Okay. Very nice diary. I like this diary. It's easy to carry and easy to verify. Small and you can put in your bag. I like it. Yeah. This can go battery down, but it cannot go battery down.
Kasi napasok ka ng CV.
Finish, guys.
Yeah. Karang kasi yung tani kami.
Let's go.
You know. Memorize what?
Got PDF spare parts catalog in PDF. Then if you scroll down, you can see technical data, user manual, installation manual, service manual, specification sheet, designer book diagram, designer connection diagram, innovation report, 2D files, 3D files, software update file, and simulator. Simulator is the one dummy control panel.
Just familiarization on the operation.
Yes, yes, for the operation. Exactly. Okay. Now here installation team. First, install the mode. Technical data is the most important document for installation. Most important document. Just zoom this one. You can see here. See this oval. This oval requires how much? 11.7 kilowatts. If you want in BTU, we have even BTU, this thermal unit, or kilowatts is the general they use, right? So 11.7 kilowatts is the power required. Okay. If you want to tell to the customer, if you want to tell to your sales team, if you want to tell someone, you can tell directly 11.7 kilowatts is the power required to install this oval. And the voltage section. If you look here, the voltage section. Okay. In this voltage section, it's a 3-phase. Okay, here you have 50 Hz or 60 Hz? 50 Hz. So this over is 50 Hz. Okay. Now 380 to 415. This is the first one. Always first is the default in the over. Default means which is coming from the factory. Okay, the factory default. So it's a 3-phase oven. So along with the oven, they have given the 5-core. With 2.5 mm, which is the cable thickness. Circuit breaker required. How much? 25 amperes. Okay. So it's written very clear. Circuit breaker is required. So L1 will draw 18, L2 will draw 18, L3 will draw 18. So this is the general voltage section of the oven. Here, okay. So if someone, now here we have another section here. Second, and this is third. In second, you have 220 volts, 3-phase with ground, without neutral. This there is somewhere in this.
No.
So in Saudi Arabia, we have this one. Yes. For Saudi, we have 220 without neutral, 220 3-phase. So for that, the connection diagram will be different. We have to replace the connection diagram. What is the connection diagram? Is here. For 220 3-phase neutral, if you scroll down the same technical data in the last page, but you don't have, but I am trying to explain it so it will be easier. Right. So the first column is the normal default from the Unx factory, right? L1, L2, L3, neutral. This is the normal, okay, connections. But this one, 220 3-phase without neutral connection. So what you have to do is, see this, you have to loop 1 and 2 the terminals, 3 and 4 terminals, 4 and 5 and 6 terminals together with this kit. This is XUC129 kit. What is this looping is something like high resistance copper. Okay. And then you have to connect phase 1 here. You have to loop it. Phase 2 here. Phase 3 here. Clear? Yes. Once you connect, so it will become 223 phase connection. Clear? Huh?
Yeah.
So how do you this I don't know if someone did installation this one before.
No.
So forget about this one. Forget about this one. But you know what is this connection now, right? The next connection is single phase convection directly with neutral. Okay. In this, what they have given in the instruction, this oven can be converted into single phase, but there are some limitations. Sorry. Very heavy load. Very load. So heavy load. See, what is the heavy load here? 10 mm cable. You have to remove the default cable from the factory and throw. And buy the 10 mm cable.
10 mm cable.
Why throw the cable?
You can keep with you in the throw in the warehouse, so you can use future. 63 breaker, circuit breaker, 63 ampere circuit breaker. Okay, this 10 mm not from the oven, even from the customer place also it should be the same thickness. So maybe here there is 2.5 and you can take, there is no use. So this is, and I don't know, you know what to do there. Okay, it's clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
So technical data is clear here. So this is technical data. We have to see for the power and what is the load required. Okay, and same water pressure is required 1.5 to 6 bar normal. You should be understanding this one. And the water pressure, water maximum consumption. Some customer asks you how much the water consumed if I am using steam 100%. You can answer them. See, water maximum consumption steam 8.1 liter per hour. Means if we use 100% steam for 1 hour, it consumes 8.1 liter. And the limitation is at the rate, what is the bar? 2 bar. Depends even on the pressure. So generally we will consider 2 bar, 2.2 bar, 2.3 bar, whatever the pressure. It will be 8.1 liter per hour. Okay. Then maximum food load, maximum temperature is 260 degrees in this oven, and IP protection is something, the protection of the glass also. Okay. Now we have here dimensions of the oven in second page. Then we have electric circuits diagram in this, and last page is the connection diagram. Okay. This is clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
So here, why I explained you this one? Is this useful data for you? Before, this useful data, right?
Useful.
For installation, it's very important, the technical data. Okay. Next, now like I said, now I know about the electricity of this oven. Now I am installing the single oven. What I do, I need electricity because it's electric oven. I need water connection. Okay, then drain connection. This you know to install, right? You know there is a drain pipe, you know, from the bottom, and you connect the P trap. You know the P trap. You connect the P trap always.
Yeah, it should be there.
Not it should be there. The P trap and the drain kit, it comes along with the single installation kit, which someone was carrying. Maybe this is single installation kit. I'm not sure what is this kit. XUC 1001. That is the kit where you find the black pipe with the P trap. You know that kit, right?
One thing regarding your hose, the Unx hose, the black one.
Yes.
When you tighten it more, it goes outside.
Yes.
It's clean.
Always.
It's not really.
Inside just there is a white powder. Maybe just clean the white powder.
No,
then
no,
you tighten it.
Even. When you tighten it,
Yeah, because of
the
the
one
plastic.
side it goes out.
Because of the plastic becoming heated.
No,
Not even
I,
slide.
I know
Even
maybe
it's new
the,
when you tighten it
Yes.
maybe the from the bottom or from this.
from the plastic.
From the plastic.
Siphon.
When we connect the P trap.
Siphon kit.
Yeah, siphon kit from the here or from here.
Down,
From the down.
Yes. Yes.
Maybe just cut little more the part, because even I have faced these issues. What I do, I'll cut that parts little more again. Maybe I'll try to connect it back, because sometimes it will be more. See the like glass.
I think you can probably suggest to the factory. At least put some groove on
or
the
something in the
hole.
plastic.
In the plastic.
Rubber.
No. Groove. You have to put some edge there, at least to hold the
To hold the
For the plastic, huh?
Yeah.
In the plastic.
That part maybe we can suggest for sure.
Because it's also every time we pull something the machine,
Comes out
it
immediately.
comes out. If we tight,
Not always, huh? Because I see this one not always. Maybe I don't know if you're saying always. It's different. You find this always or sometimes?
here is
Not sometimes.
Because
Too much.
usually when they are
Too many times.
Always. Huh?
But usually when you use the stainless steel clamp, when you tighten it, it should hold.
Yes.
But this one, if you tighten more, it will come out.
it will go out.
Don't tight more. Maybe like normal tight.
There is a hot water coming with pipe.
No, this one.
But the best thing for this one, if you put glue in the plastic.
That maybe I can suggest to the. I can raise the point to technical. But this one, maybe just try some. This is the one you say from this bottom. Right?
Yes.
Backside. Yeah, this one.
Okay. See this P trap from here, huh?
Yeah, this one. This one, yeah. Okay. The one inside, no problem. This one.
Okay, dear. No problem. I'll raise the point, but maybe next time just clean it properly. I'll cut little more the black pipe and even I face this issue, but not always. When I face this one, the black pipe, I cut little more. Then I connect it back. I clean inside because there is powder something like the glass. I clean it properly. Then I connect it. It doesn't come. It doesn't come. Maybe if you do like this, it will come. But not normal way.
If we connect normally also, that's the
You
same.
connect normally, the more you are little bit, it will slowly go
No,
out.
just clean or cut, clean it properly and connect it back. And tell me how it goes. Okay.
It's same.
Then last
You can't finish
inside
it.
the bucket will give it.
I do it, we can't also too much.
Yes, this is something I understood, but I'll raise a point. Okay. So this, these connections, right? I don't want to go in deep in this.
Yeah.
Electricity to connect, right to connect.
Water is
Trap
common
is
for us. This is common for us.
Common. And here you have two pipes. You know what are the two pipes here? For the water. One is black, one is blue.
Chemical is the other one.
Black and blue. You know what is this one? See here they miss the pipe. Here from this clamp, the blue should be connected. The 3D department they miss the part, but the black is here, and another blue should be connected here. Okay, it should be here. Pipe. Just imagine the pipe is here. So what is these two pipes? You know? You know or you don't? Someone knows.
Water?
Yeah, very good. But why they have given two divisions?
Why they use one?
Why do you to split this?
Yes, that's what I'm asking. Why?
Chemical.
No, chemical is different. Chemical it doesn't come into water. See this one. Here you connect the tap, right? This is you connect the tap, right? So from the tap it's going to this pressure reducer. And here we have T junction. T, okay? This is magnet because it's for limescale remover. You have P junction. One is going black like this, one is going blue like this. What is this two? I'll explain you. Maybe you don't know the answer. It's very simple. Black is for the steam. Okay? The water is going in the steam. From inside the oven, if I open this panel, there is only one valve for the steam.
The one.
Black steam valve direct into the oven. Okay?
Blue for cleaning.
Blue for the cleaning. Very good. You can see, right? See this black pipe where it's going. This solenoid valve, okay?
The box solenoid.
This solenoid valve. This is the steam valve. So, see here left side.
Yeah, this is the description.
Barbed dual solenoid valve. They are not written here. It's a steam valve, okay? It's a steam valve. If steam is not coming inside the oven, if the customer said, I selected from 20%, 50%, steam is not connected, what is the first problem? First, what you have to check?
Water.
Not
Water
solenoid.
pressure.
Water pressure, yes. The tap is closed over.
Yeah.
Then the pressure. Then solenoid valve. That's it. Because of only this solenoid valve, it comes directly. There is nothing between connections. Okay. And even I check like 230 volts. It's a 230 volts. Supply is coming from the power board to the solenoid valve. Okay. Now the blue, the pipe is for the chemical. So do you know how this cycle works? Okay, I'll explain. Even here I can write.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. See, the cleaning, how the cleaning cycle works. The blue is always cleaning. So generally, Unx will say, connect the water filter only for the steam. If we say connect the water filter only for the steam, what you have to? You have Unx pure water filter, right? You have Unx pure water filter. So it's not. You should never connect Unx pure water filter here. Not for the tap here. Not here. Unx pure is just a. It can remove just calcium and magnesium in it, little amount of, just only in steam valve. You have to cut the steam valve in middle, okay, in middle here, and the water, normal water is coming from here, and water comes, if you cut here, the water come outside, right? This outside water should connect to the water filter in, and out you have to connect here.
Now we know.
You understood?
Yeah.
The fittings are given because the fittings which is in the water filter is here, not for here.
So your water filter is connected series with the machine itself, not
Series.
from the source.
Not from the source.
Not here.
Yeah.
The fittings is not for here. The fittings are for here. You cut here, you can see one straight line pipe which you have to put into black pipe, then one elbow to the water filter pipe in. Another same method here, elbow out.
So that is the use why they use
That
this
is the use
filter.
for water. Now you know.
Now we know.
Before you are connecting to the main.
Directly with the main.
Main.
So
No,
both of
not
them
for the
come.
main. Never for the main. Main. In the installation manual, they are very clearly
So that you
written.
extend the life of the filter.
Yes. The installation. If you look at the installation manual, okay. If you look at the installation manual, page number 23, I guess. If I'm not wrong. Here, see, incoming water, there is two types of incoming water
Balik.
and steam circuit. Okay, so incoming water should be purified already. Maybe not inox cartridge can purify the water. It's a cartridge, but incoming should be purified water. Like it should see the inflow water should be these values. It's everything is in installation manual which you have now registered
So what's
website.
the function of the filter? You know filter.
It can reduce the hotness. Maybe imagine the hotness. Already the filter water, incoming water hotness should be, see, what is the hotness should be less than 30 German degrees. Less than 30, which is okay for the cleaning. From our side, okay for the cleaning. But for the steaming, what is the steaming should be less than 8. You saw? This can reduce the Unx pure water filter. Maybe the tap water here, maybe it's 120 hotness, 180 hotness. If you connect Unx water filter, it will reduce that like very less. Maybe it's not into the Unx specifications. You have to use the water filter which reduce the hotness and everything. Then you have to connect the just for the steam, which is okay for the cleaning. But steam for the cooking, the hotness you have to be more less than 8 German degrees. So it will not form any white residues. You can see the white residues inside the white scale or corrosion because of hotness. Clear? Huh? This part is clear. So now.
So what do you recommend? Because if this filter is only for steam,
Yes.
if we have some issue with the oven, which is since they use chemicals, it's become the white scales all around the oven.
Yeah, then I recommend to buy the kit here. See, can you read? You can read this one, right?
Yes.
Here, see. This value refers to daily steam cooking. This value refers to daily steam cooking of 1 to 2 hours. In any case, with total hotness less than 8 German degree, there is still production of line scale. Okay. It is mandatory to treat the water in order to avoid line scale production. We recommend water treatment system based on ion exchange resins. Water system based on ion exchange resins. I don't know which here the market you can get the ion exchange resins. Okay, you have to check with the water filter company like Cooligan, 3M, I don't know, Everpure. Okay, so the total hotness can be measured using KSTR. We have a kit you can order from Unx, the kit called KSTR 10828. That is the kit. You can get the 3 values: one hotness, one is chloride, one is electrical conductivity. So from this you can say, okay, this water is good. Clear?
Yeah.
So if you want to make a note, you can make a note, or else later on you can check from installation manual the kit name. KSTR10828. Okay. So okay. Yeah. Now the blue water I said it's for the cleaning, right? This cycle is good. Now for the blue water. Now from here this is a tap. Okay. From tap it's going to the pressure reducer, right?
Yes.
Okay. From there is a
Split.
split. Very good. One is black, one is blue. Correct?
Yeah.
This blue, this is black. From the black you understood it's going to the steam valve
Same ball.
and directly inside the oven. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Now blue pipe. There is a blue pipe. Okay? Now customer says there is no water inside the oven while cleaning.
It makes error.
It will show error. Very good. Sometimes it will show error. And now we have to. I will explain you the concept of this one. You know, if someone knows the concept of this one, okay. If some customer says there is some error on the screen, low water, maybe lack of detergent or lack of lack of water during cleaning, whatever the error. So first blue pipe. Now from here, it goes into first solenoid valve 1. Okay. Remember very clearly. Then it goes to
Check ball.
which one?
Non-return ball.
Yeah, there is non-return valve here. Forget about this non-return valve. Okay. Now there we have again there is a pressure switch. Okay. Then we have solenoid 1, 2. Okay.
Yeah.
This pressure switch activates at 1.3 bar. Mechanical pressure switch. Now see, from here the water is coming to this solenoid valve, okay? And then it goes to the pressure switch. This pressure switch is connected to power board. Okay? If this pressure, when the water is not coming inside the oven, the first thing we have to check the tap is closed or not.
Yeah.
Tap is open. Then we have to open this pipe and check if the water is coming here. Maybe pressure reducer is blocked. Okay. Now the water is even coming here. Then the solenoid valve is open. Maybe the pressure is less than 1.3 bar. Mechanical, it will not close. It will not give signal to power board. Then this valve will never open. Okay, understood? So first thing we have to, this pressure switch activates only when there is a pressure 1.2 bar, 1.3 bar, the water line, or it will never activate when there is no water, when there is less than 1.3 bar, or this is defective, or this is defective. That's why the water is not. It's clear, right? You understand what I said? See, if the water is good pressure, this solenoid valve is opening, the pressure switch is opening, but water is not coming. What is the issue?
Maybe the pressure regulator.
No, this one is
This one.
no, not regular. Because this is the one last, right? Clear, huh?
Yeah, it was. See, I have one customer. This non-return bulb is available.
Yeah.
Available here.
No, we can order this.
Yes,
this
we
model.
can order. See this one which I opened, which I opened here. See, I opened here 3D spare part view. You can click in your laptop 3D spare part view. Okay. Once you click here, see here. Pressure switch not activated. What do you mean not activated? Yes. Pressure switch is defective. Huh? You say pressure switch is defective. Yeah, then you have to replace the pressure switch. See, once getting the 230 volts here with the voltage, then power board is the defective. You understood, right?
Yeah.
Once this everything is in a sequence, we are getting 230 volts, still the water is not coming, the solenoid valve is issued.
Only solenoid valve 2.
2 is defective because everything is in sequence. This is mechanically it's working the pressure is 1.2, greater than 1.3 bar. This valve is open. The issue would be that this is the only one issue, right? Yes, because everything in sequence is good. Okay. Now what happened to this circuit? Yeah, let me open again. See here, guys, this 3D spare part view. Once you click 3D spare part view, again click on 3D.
We have that already.
You know this one already, yeah?
We have that already. Yes, I have one customer. This one is
If this is damaged, two things will happen. If it's burst, then you will play. And then one customer, if this is damaged, he's complaining because his chemical is not running out.
Oh, maybe you replace the filter,
We replace the
pump,
no,
blue color pump,
the non-return valve.
non-return valve is blocked. What
No,
happened?
it's open.
It's open, huh?
Yeah. So the complaint is
How do you find it's open?
the chemical is not running out. So instead of running out, it's filling with water. When they are washing, the water going inside the chemical tank.
So,
The
so
complaint
you
is
replace the non-return valve, then it problem is solved.
one.
Not even consume the chemical.
it's getting filled by water. The chemical is still
Yeah,
there.
of course. Yeah, this is new. I never occurred this
Never
issue.
heard?
No.
No.
Yeah, of course, non-return valve because
The complaint is really weird because the complaint is we are running out, we are not running out with chemicals.
the water is coming in the tank directly.
Yeah. We don't refill, but it's full.
Yeah.
But for me, the one is worse.
Yeah, here is the non-return valve.
The non-return valve is explode.
Check valve here. This one you refresh.
Yeah, this one, the small one.
Yeah.
Now we have
We have lots of. Yeah, even this is same.
Yeah, it's same.
Same. But this one is how it opened there. How it's opened.
I don't know if I have still a big picture for this one. When I go
I
there,
want to see. If you have, I will just send me later. Huh? I want to see how it's got
Sa akin,
it.
ito may.
The
Black one
most,
also, this one is-
the connection, it will burst in what pressure?
it's like a lock. There is no lock for this one. You just press this the two together. It will. There is spring inside
Yes.
and a small ball. Go out.
Hmm.
So what I did is just fix this one like this. But if there is pressure, it will.
Maybe because of high pressure, water pressure.
Maybe.
Yes, exactly. That's why. What is the
But you have a regulator,
normal
right?
output for the regulator?
Hindi ko
2.3.
hindi ko
2.3.
adjust. Baka hindi ko
Because I changed one because of the pressure regulator.
2.3. It's a pressure reducer.
Yeah,
It can go 2.3. Factory defect. Maybe we should not change that one. It's a factory
Yeah,
setting.
that's why the
Okay.
that burst.
It's good. Good.
This one,
thing. I know something new from your side. Yeah, but I never changed pressure.
I already
Non-return
fixed
valve
this one. I
before.
just put it inside. This one explode. The water go out.
Yeah, because of high pressure, I think. Huh?
But I think the pressure is okay.
It's okay.
Because during the down there is proper.
Paulit lang talaga.
Okay.
It's okay.
It's working. Okay, maybe manufacturing machine. Okay.
But it's old machine.
Bago?
Old machine.
Old machine.
Hindi nila lang.
Okay, see this is how this is how you can check the repair part. Just click on the part. Left side see KVL11.
Yeah, I know this one already.
You know this one. So this is how you can check each and every spare parts. Okay. Now another one. We'll check the same sequence for the chemical. Detergent tank.
Yes.
Detergent tank. Okay. Tank is connected another black pipe. You right?
Yeah, there is blood.
Now it goes to the filter, the black color filter. If you look here.
Yeah, this one.
This one filter, okay. Then it goes to the pump, the blue color pump, okay. Then this is connected to this pressure switch. Again,
Yeah.
there is another solenoid valve, okay, which opens, goes into the oven, okay. Now same, the pump
Big
it's a vibration pump which gives pressure at 1 point more greater than 1.5 bar. to activate the pressure switch, to tell signal to the power board in order to open another valve. Same, because detergent tank it has higher viscosity, so it cannot come with the pressure. So we need a pump, vibration pump. This is the pump.
So it will go together when there is deep.
With the
So
water.
the two valve will activate.
Yes.
For the chemical and the
Water.
yes.
Yes.
Because they are same.
It's a concentration water with the chemical. If you look, when you look cycle, it's not direct chemical, it's a concentration you can see on inside the pan. Okay. So similar way to detect, which you find is different issue. In case the chemical is not coming, lack of chemical, maybe chemical is not there, the filter is blocked, I replace lots of pump. Practically, issue pump.
I do one time only.
Yes. Pump with no chemical. Pump is damaged, vibration. For the older versions, not always. So you understood the cycle of this one, right? Is it clear? Okay. So this is the one installation. Now let us go to the other. How about the hood? Once you connect all these, the oven, once you connect the oven on a stable stand, okay. The hood, how do you connect the hood? See, on the top of there, if you look on top, we have a chimney, right? Chimney. This chimney, where does it go?
انت فينا نشتغل في عبد الكريم. نخلص يا ابو انا شايف عبد السعر على اساس
What are the connections are there? Can someone tell me? Yes. Electric. Drain. Yes.
Network.
Chimney. Yes. Network. Yes. Then chemical. Very good. So you will connect all these things, right? Huh? You know how to, because you know most of the people who connect the hood, the black color pipe, they connect to the black pipe, water pipe, which is wrong. So you know where to connect. See, this is the hood, correct? If you look at the back side, in the hood we have two connections. One is now they have given this pipe. One is black, which is the water. Another this pipe is for the chemical. Okay, you have to connect for the chemical. In the oven you have to connect middle and you have to connect the T junction. You know, right, that one. And the water you also have to connect to the blue pipe. It will be in blue color. Okay, and the drain will be
ما ينفعش يجهز لما يكون في فاتوره بوف.
drain will be connecting
انا اروح ابص
connector,
البنت دلوقتي بعد كده يقول لك لا.
right?
طيب طب اجهز اكتر من
The drain you have to
ما
here, this is the drain, huh? This is the
ناخد
drain.
الكمبرسورات من جوه.
Okay, this drain you have to connect to the where how you connect to the P trap.
Intra.
P trap, you connect the top. You'll remove the top plastic and you'll connect. Very good. Very nice. This is clear, huh? From your side is clear. Okay. So this is what I want to understand. So you connect the blue for the water, black for the chemical. Okay. When you have two ovens, now double stack oven. When there is a hood, how do you connect?
نص كم؟
Okay. Then
Only one hole.
now tell me what are the connections are there? For before you said 6 connections, right? Single oven, hood 6 connections. How about two ovens, hood? How many connections?
بالنسبة للأرضية
So you mean two ovens together?
Oh,
So you need two hole or no?
huh?
You want to use two hole or only
لو
one hole?
أرضية
Only one hood, huh?
تقدر
For two ovens stacking together, only one hood. Huh? You said electric ovens, only one hood, but how do you connect?
طب فاهم جون عندك
There's no controller inside. You need to connect by RJ45.
Yes.
بعت لسان الفاتورة
It was controlled by the touchscreen. So the
Yes, RJ Patel, it cannot control. We are not controlling in control panel. It's automated. Open the door, you can see, hear the noise of the panel. So now I will tell you for the hood, 2 ovens. See, first, see, now this is the oven number 1, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now oven 1. Now oven 2 is in the bottom, right?
Yes, sir.
Like this, correct?
Yeah.
There is stacking. Now you remove the detergent and you put here detergent, correct? Huh? Right? Huh? Right?
Yes, sir.
Now here there is one chimney, right? And here also in middle of there is one chimney, correct? This chimney it will connect directly into the hood, correct? Huh? Another one chimney here you will get one elbow in an accessory kit, okay? This elbow it will go like this and it has to connect to the hood again here, this part. You saw this one? This red color, this one. It has to be connected here. So this is the one, same one.
Same
Sorry,
one.
this is the one for the middle one. Sorry, not this one. Wait, I took the wrong one because this is for the big one. Wait. I'll show you. Don't see presses. No, it's end user presses. You can see. You are connecting both exhausts to the hood, right? Or only one exhaust?
Only one.
No, you have to connect both. Huh? How about the bottom one? You just leave in the atmosphere?
No, it will damage the machine.
You never did this installation before, huh? 2 ovens with the hood. You did before? Someone? Never did. Okay.
Yung sa
Airport.
airport.
Oh,
Wala
no.
yung airport.
No.
We have in airport.
We installed that before, but
Yeah. See in the
we used to.
see when you install 2 oven, one you connect one exhaust. Where is my cursor? Okay. One cursor you connect directly here, the back side, right? Huh?
Yeah.
One it will connect here. The another one, there is elbow you have to connect. There is one stopper here. You have to remove this stopper and you have to connect there. The bottom one exhaust.
But this is optional, huh?
That is, if you have one oven, don't remove the stopper. Okay. If you have 2 ovens, remove the stopper and connect from the bottom elbow to the top. And this would be the drain always. Only one drain. Drain is the same. Okay. So you know how the hood works. See, this condensation chamber, this chamber, in this chamber, okay.
So, mayroon siyang pipe.
Expensive nito para may
See this condensation chamber, from here the exhaust is collecting, right? All the steam, all the heat goes into it, okay? From the water, once there is a sensor, once the sensor reaches above 80 degrees, 75 degrees Celsius, the water sprays, then it comes from the drain. The water, whatever the drain, it goes into the drain. This is how it works. So, one you have connected, even other one should connect it. So the communication cable RJ45 should be connected oven number 1 and oven number 2 also into the hood. Okay. So if you open top oven door, also it will fan will rotate. If you open bottom door, also fan will rotate. You understood?
Yeah.
So this is the way you have to connect the 2 ovens to the hood. Maybe if you have not connected like this before, I don't know how it's working till now.
Open top oven.
We
No.
put it before the old
Oven
one.
not work.
The old one. But same thing, there is a 2 hole
But we have oven and oven. It's stackable too. But we don't have this. But we have a big one.
External hood.
that's why it's like maybe it's an optional some but the ventilation for this one, the chimney, there is, but
Hello?
there's no this.
السلام عليكم.
But now you understood what to do?
Yeah.
It's clear? Any questions here? No questions, sir.
في واحد معايا ينزل اجازه فلش.
Even it's clear, huh?
This is the
Yeah. So this topper when you have to remove?
When we have to open.
Yes. Yes. Rubber, yeah. Remove and connect the bottom oven exhaust. If you have only one more, you should remove.
No.
I just testing whether if what I said if you are confused.
Sir,
Just want to test.
every unit have only one RJ45 cable to connect
For the oven.
for the
Come
oven.
again?
Only one cable every unit to connect in the hood.
Yes. See, one RJ45, oven number 1 to hood, oven number 2 to hood. Two RJ45.
The RJ45 comes in stacking kit.
هينزل
It comes along with the hood.
The hood.
With the hood you can see two
So how-
cables. Yeah, even if you buy
You
hood,
don't know one or two.
it will come with two RJ45. Am I right?
It's okay if you buy outside RJ45.
Yeah, it's okay. I buy
I think
outside.
it's the same.
I go there, I say RJ45, he give me the cable. I use many times because I faced one issue with one different project guy. One of the dealer is called Analabi, they sell the oven without knowing. They buy baker top oven.
معلش
Sorry, chef top oven and the brewer. The brewer is in another room somewhere. The oven is here in another room. And he wants to use the brewer there or the oven here. So I use the bigger RJ45 cable from there to there connected. So he comes there and he operates and then he goes with the trace. Yeah, not one. You have to just check
فانا كلمته قلت له هل السنه
This clear up? See, this is the double stacking with the hood. Similar way, same baker top also same installation with the hood. Double stack same with the hood, same plunger, same everything same. The only is maxi link. Maxi link is different. Maxi link, you know how do you install maxi link? Have you ever installed baker top, deck and brewer? Yes. What do you install?
I see in the proper is different power supply.
Huh?
The proper has a different power supply, but we have communication from the top oven.
Oh yes, very good. Tell me, Ajay. I need answers from you so I can understand. I feel very happy when you answer. Tell me. Bibi. Okay. I'll explain to you. This type of installations are you doing in Kuwait?
We have one. Yeah, we have one.
Okay. See, remember always when you for this double stacking you need a stacking kit. Very important stacking kit. Without stacking kit you cannot install the oven. But your team are getting the stacking kit.
Yeah, we have.
We have. How do you know the right stacking kit to use the oven? See, I mean, if you are installing XCVC 7 tray oven, 2 7 trays like this. Which stacking kit is required? You don't know?
How to know that?
You want to know, right?
We want to
You
know.
want to know about which stacking kit?
Yeah.
That I'll show you. I'll explain about maxi link later because I missed about the stacking kit. When you installing 2 ovens, baker top or chef top, 2 ovens, which stacking kit is required? What is the required? Now I'll show you. See, just go to the oven, just enter the oven details in this. I'm doing there, I'm just doing it. Enter the details there, search, okay? This is very important, very important. For installation tip, very important. Go to designer book.
Design.
Here, designer book.
معلش هما لو بتاخد المعلومات اللي هما بياخدوها ولازم تحط نوتس وتدرك اللي وانت عملت ايه.
Designer book. Okay. What I'm explaining is it useful for you? You're learning new things or it's already you know all this stuff? It's new, right?
Excuse me. Which one number right first one?
This one. I don't CBC 0711. Whatever the one you're installing, but designer book is common for everything. Don't worry. Designer book is we have all the commons. In that you can see all the common for all the ovens. Okay. If you just enter any serial number, you can go to the common one.
But this one is when we buy the oven and they want to make a stackable, supposed to be the sales should recommend already this kind of kit.
Yeah, sale very good. Not designer book connection diagram. Sorry. Designer book connection diagram. Yeah, sales should recommend this one.
They should know also.
Yeah, they should know also, but very good. They should know this one very much because you are not selling the oven.
We are not selling the oven.
Sales is selling the oven. But if sales team asks you, we are installing 2 oven, you can raise a point. I need this kit to install.
But the problem is sometimes they don't. Salesman just tell the installation team. They tell them the oven is here.
Yeah, but when the installation team is installing the 2 ovens or 3 ovens stacking together, that's why I'm giving training now to you. Sasa told, I need this kit to install a oven. Without this kit, how can we install a oven? Give us a solution. You have to raise a point. You cannot go blindly and install a oven wrongly and you'll have issue in future.
Yeah, it's true. That when we go there and they said, no, we want the machine to be stackable, but we don't have kit. We said, no, we will not
Maybe
fix the
that
machine
time
without
maybe
kit.
you have the kit here. Maybe they have because once sales team contact James or someone, they will which project they will tell we want to stack 2 ovens, we want to stack 3 ovens.
Yeah.
Then our team will send you all the stacking kits along with the oven. Maybe you have a stacking kit in warehouse, maybe they did not send to the warehouse. That time as a technical guy, if we know which is 2 ovens you're installing with the stacking kit, maybe this stacking kit is required, can you check in the warehouse? You understood, right?
But the problem is, let's say, it's not it's common here in Kuwait. When we go there, they say, oh, you need a stackable, we need this machine to be one down, one is up. So the installation will go there, they will encounter, no, you need to have a stacking kit. But when you explain to the customer, the customer will ask you, it's another payment.
That's what, what's your name? Joy? What's your name? Joseph. See, that's what I'm telling. The 2 stacking kits, when customer orders 2 stacking kits, Unx will quote the stacking kit as well. When they are double stacking, when the customer requests double stacking too. Mabruk will contact Unx. We need 2 ovens double stack.
This is free?
Not free, it comes out. Once they select 2 ovens in the website, when automatic it becomes a stacking kit there. So it comes along with the stacking kit. You understood, right? They will send it. Maybe in warehouse, maybe when they are sending, the warehouse team is sending to the site, maybe they would have missed this stacking kit along. When you go, maybe you don't do like alteration with the oven. Maybe use the proper stacking kit. That's what I'm explaining you now. Okay? In case if it's missed, just tell to them we need this stacking kit. Maybe the Hassan or someone can order from it. Okay? See, now designer book connection diagram, okay? In this, yeah, I know what you are saying.
This one.
Joseph.
Water.
It's very good point. What you said is okay. Customer will never answer. But this should be informed earlier.
Yeah, he should be informed. Like say, why the salesman didn't inform us like this? That there is kit like this need to pay.
These are the few possible combinations of stacking kits. Okay, here see. Baker top mind maps. Okay, on a stand. Okay. What is the stacking kit required? XC, EQC 00. This is the stacking kit required. Okay. 2 baker top, between 2 baker tops, kit is required this one. Okay. Breaker top on a stand. This is the stand. What is kit required? XUC00. What is the kit? Is I think so. This is the one. It's a dried pipe, siphon pipe. That is the kit. XUC00. When you install oven with the prover, you require only this kit. When you install the mind maps, desktop, prover, what are the kits required? XUC00 is kit required. Then desktop, there are two types of desktop in Unx, one is C type, one is D type. What is C type, D type? C is controlled by oven, D is, deck is have independent control panel. You understood?
Yeah.
You saw the independent control deck.
Yes.
Another one which doesn't have independent. It can control by the oven. Yeah, that is C. C is controlled by oven. D is deck controlled. Okay? Just remember. Okay. When you are installing this maxi links, now I am telling about maxi link. Breaker top, deck and prover. So see between this and this there is one kit,
Yes, stainless steel.
This kit it comes along with this oven, along with desktop. It's already inbuilt inside. It's already coming with the which one controlled one. C type. It's already controlled. It's come along with it. But only one kit XUC062 which is between prover and deck. Another detergent tank holder. Right? That one. But here for deck control, you want to buy this kit also between breaker top and deck, which is XUC061. You saw? This kit, in this it comes along with the oven, but this is separate.
عايز
You understood what here?
Yeah.
And remaining all same. XUC062 same. This same. Okay? And for breaker top and deck top, if you see D type, this stacking kit you have to be purchased separately. Very clear. If it's C type, it is built between. And you want only this and this one. Clear? And kit is this is kit normal. This is the drying kit. Okay. So these are the few example combinations, but we have more example combinations if you scroll down. And in this page also you can see what are the inside kit, what is available. What are the accessories available in different kits, there are images. Okay. Now let us go to the page. Okay. See, these are different types of model. XCBC011. Now this one like different with food. Now we are looking for the stacking. Now see here. This one is off size, smaller compact. We'll go for one by one. Okay. Yes, very good. One by one. Can everyone see this one? See here, if you look here, XCBC0711 EPR or E1R, whatever. XCBC05, there are two ovens. 7 tray, 5 tray. 7 tray is top. Bottom is 5 tray. This is the combination of the oven. Always remember. We are installing two ovens, which should be top, which is what we can see from the designer book diagram. We cannot install by directly. I'll install 5 on the top, bottom on, because the stacking kit is also very important. Because the pipes and everything comes along with this stacking. Okay. 7 is in the top, 5 is in the bottom. Which is stacking kit required? This is the stacking kit required. So where you can see is in the bottom here. The same page. I'll minimize. Here. You saw here. See. Oven number 1. 7 tray. Oven number 2. 5 tray. Stand. Which is stand? You saw there is a stand in floor stand. This is the floor stand. Stacking kit is equal to this one. That's it. To complete this procedure, you want this one. When you install two ones, you want this procedure. If you have all this 1, 2, 3, 4, you can do perfect. Okay, clear?
Yes, clear.
So in this, you can see like fully details. Like if you have like this, I'll always. My experience is to check this table. If someone tell me, Sir, I'm installing one Someone asked me, even sales team asked me, Sagar, I'm installing chef top 3 tray and chef top 7 tray. What is required? Oh, wait. I'll open design and book. I go to this table column. I'll ask him, okay, you are installing chef top 3 tray and 7 tray. Stand is required XWVRC0011F and stacking kit is required this one. I'll tell him this is what required. Yeah, this is what required to complete the full installation. It's clear? So now, if someone asks, I have 2 ovens with a hood, what is required? I'll go here. Everything is here. Okay, hood, oven 1, oven 2, kit, stacking kit. Okay. So this is, there are different combinations here, different combinations with these lots of combinations. Not only chef tops, if you scroll down, we have even for the baker top as well. Okay, with the different sizes, what stacking kit is required. From this, you can easily tell which stacking kit is required. Okay, maybe go through once. Maybe now you will not understand what's going on here. Maybe go through once you have a time, download the designer book and check like the ovens, then you will understand, okay, this is what it is. Okay. So this is, if you scroll now, the baker top mind maps. So designer connection book diagram is same for all the models. We have in one catalog, we have all the models. Just print out and keep the file with you. It's easy for your reference to check. You know, if someone tell this 2 ovens initially, okay, this is what required. You have this one, yeah, we have. Then you can install the oven. Something is missing, you can tell them this is missing. We cannot install the oven. We need to do some. We need advice from Sagar. Ask me then. Email me. The kit is missing. What should I do? I'll tell you. Yeah, you require this kit to install, or else I'll give temporary solution for it. You understood? Clear? Huh?
Yes.
But don't do alterations. Huh? Maybe that's why maybe the oven is getting defective, and if you claim under warranty, maybe I don't know what's happened there. Maybe I don't know what's alteration is done. But if someone claims under warranty, it cannot be claimed under warranty, right? Because of the wrong installation. Am I right?
Yes.
Bipin, it's clear, huh? Download this, print out this, design and keep with you people.
One gas, one electric.
Yes. Combinations. Yes.
It's possible.
Yes, possible. It's here. Design and connection. You want me to show? See, that I did not love it. See, for 2 gas combination, between you ask me. See now, we have only 2 types of kits for gas combination. Before going into gas combination, I'll explain you. Oven number 1, gas. Oven number 2 also gas. Okay. In gas ovens, how many exhausts we have?
I think 2. No. Exhaust?
Yeah. Between how many exhausts we have in gas ovens?
1,
الاكسسوارز
3.
3.
Correct? Huh?
Yeah, 3.
Steam and heat exchangers. Correct?
بيشيلها
Correct? Huh?
التأثير اللي يخليك
So,
المكان
in gas ovens, we have here steam, okay? One here and one here for the heat exchangers, right? Like this. Am I correct?
Yes.
Even for the bottom oven, it's the same, right? If you have a gas oven, correct? Am I right?
Yeah.
So for this, you require a proper heat exchanger shield like this, right? Have you ever installed like this 2 ovens? Never?
No.
Have you seen the kit that one? Never? See, to install this one, for the bottom oven, first you have to install the bottom oven, then the top you have to put. See, in the bottom oven, what you have to, this is bottom oven. Imagine this is the bottom oven. from here, this is the heat exchanger. Okay. This is another heat exchanger. This is the chimney here. Okay. For this, there is a shield like this coming. Okay. Like same elbow, it's fully covered with. First you have to cover with white color woolen, that you know, the insulation type. That it's very dangerous one. Fiber one, yes. That one you have to cover for first for the pipes. There will be a pipe like this. The pipe will go like this. Okay. There is a length of the pipe. This length of the pipe, it depends which type of oven you are installing on top. 5 tray or 7 tray. According to that, the kit will differ. The length of the pipe. This is the pipe for the exhaust. The pipe will differ as per the oven you are buying. Okay. Now you imagine you are buying 7 tray oven. This is 7 tray. Even top also 7 tray. Then the kit also the 7 tray oven kit. Okay. The pipe, because 7 tray is larger, 5 tray is smaller. The pipe will become smaller. Once you put the pipe, then you have to cover with this woolen, that glass one, okay, the fiber one, okay. Then on this you have to cover. There is another. It will come the shield, okay. The shield is coming here, okay. The shield is coming. Even this is normal. This is normal. The elbow. Normal elbow, when you install electric, normal elbow is coming. So this is very important. First pipe, heat exchanger pipe till top, then fiber woolen till top, then the shield is coming. Everything will be in the kit, in the stacking kit. Okay. Then you have to put the gas number 1, number 2 here. But you have to remove the detergent tank and you have to put it back here. This is the normal procedure. But this is gas number top 1. Clear? Huh? Now, similar way you have to install electric plus gas. When installing electric, imagine which is easiest way to do this procedure, or put the gas one on top and bottom on electric. What is the easier?
I go.
What do you go? Huh? Gas up. Then what you can, no need this kit, right?
No need this kit.
Yes. Easy. This is what? It's a very common sense, right? When you have electric and gas, I will tell directly to put gas on top and bottom in the electric. No complications.
But if you are not voltage with also,
Huh?
put like down the gas down. No problem for it.
If the customer tells, I want down this one, I want.
Who? Customer.
No, I ask you this one.
Okay.
Some customer ask, I want a gas on down, make this same procedure.
Yeah, yes, this procedure. If customer asks gas, of course, right? We need a.
Try to recommend the customer. Gas is better up.
Because of this, no need all the. It's easy
No
to
insulation, no anything.
evacuate all the fumes.
Install.
But when there is electric in the top and gas bottom, it's difficult. He wants to spend more money for stacking kit. You can tell him you want to spend more money for stacking kit.
The fire come, it burns to the top.
Yeah.
Right?
But when you install 2 gas ovens, then 100% this is the stack. This is the installation. It's clear?
Yeah.
So if you have any questions while installing, you can contact me. But is it clear?
Make sure you don't agree with the gas now.
See now here, see. 2 here if you see, one is G. G means gas, huh?
Gas.
E means electric.
Yeah.
Just see 5 tray and 5 tray. Just imagine where he put now gas oven. Now in this electric, whether they have put in top gas or bottom electric. Tell me. Check it out. You tell me.
Gas is.
Gas is in top or bottom? No, don't look. Now this is I am giving these values to you. XCVC 0511 GPR, XCVC 05 EPR. So where do you install? Gas on top, right?
Yes.
See connection diagram how it is. I will check the table follow. O1 number 1, what they have put? Gas. Right? O1 number 2 is electric. So okay, same. Huh? They did the same installation.
Yeah, because the
It's easy installation.
The heat exchanger will not come under the other.
Yes, it's easy installation actually.
Yeah.
See 2 GPR. Here see. So this is the heat exchanger. See the sheet. When I told you the sheet, you see here for the top one. This is the sheet. It's the extra sheet. This one. And this is the what is this one?
Chimney.
Chimney for steam. Okay. Clear? Huh?
Yes, clear.
Main is stacking kit. Which stacking kit is required? You can see in the designer book.
Designer book.
Connection diagram. Download and book. Just print out and keep with you book. 2-3 books in service department. It's easy instead of going to this thing. You can refer to you can write model as this one and you can change. Okay, guys. I will go for another one. Even the maxi link is clear, right? Maxi link is clear, right?
Yes, clear.
Double stacking kit is clear. Plus hood. Hood is the same procedure. For gas one, we can use the hood.
You can use, but the
You know hood?
for gas.
Yes. Another question. Did you install any hood for gas ovens? Why?
We never install gas.
We never install gas ovens, huh?
We install gas without food.
Without hood. But there is a hood.
That is
There is a hood. I mean external hood. You know, there is Unx hood.
External.
No so far. No.
No.
There is no hood for gas oven.
There's no.
If customer asks, I don't need steam, I don't need fumes, just install one ventless. There is no hood for gas ovens.
It's dangerous.
Yes, because the C1, CO2 coming, it should be evacuated through the exhaust. Okay, no hood for the gas. Okay. So this part is clear. Huh? Yeah. Now we'll go through quickly this and we'll take 5 to 10 minutes break. This very quickly. It's okay. This is where is this one? This now I'm going to the Unx official installation training catalog, which you will see the slides and you will say, oh, it's very clear for us because which we discuss in the board. It's here, like we studied like PhD. Here it is like normal secondary school based on the board. Okay. See now, for proper installation, you need to check the oven positioning, electrical gas connection. Oh, gas oven, I did not explain installation. I'll explain you. Water supply, water drainage, exhaust, humidity calibration, gas fume test. For this distance, you have to always maintain the distance between any hot source machine. It should be minimum 45 centimeters because the control panel can freeze or it shows the error. Okay. And the oven should be level. Always remember, oven should be level. So never install the oven in unbalanced one. And for bigger oven, you have to anchor the feet. You know?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
You have this one. Where do you find this one? In the pallet.
The panel.
Yeah. And even for the bigger one behind, you have this one extension. You know, right? You know, right?
The bigger one, the extension.
Yeah. Imagine the big oven is this one. Okay. Big oven is this one. This is the wall. Okay. If you cannot put the stoppers into the kitchen, maybe someone in the big oven leg we have the extension. So if you open and door close, maybe this is the wall you have put all the pipes. The legs you can extend behind, so it will stopper. There is a stopper behind. It will touch to the wall. You know this one, huh? You don't know this one. Just try. There is a screw in bottom. If you open the screw, it will come like this behind the stoppers. You can just extend till the wall. So whenever you push, it will not go behind. Okay. I'll show you where it is. You understand what I said now?
Yeah, I understand, but I need to
You need to check, huh? Have you installed any big ovens here?
between
Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
big.
Hindi naman nakabit yung kanya yung open. Malayo na rin, parang kalabawan. Kahit na yung oras na, ginabit. Sabi ko yung alam sa
Yeah, practically it's not possible. I agree with you. See, now this is the oven. The control panel is here. If there is very close by, the steams is coming from this, whatever there is, it can damage. But the control panel is here, but the hot source is here, then it will not affect much on the left side. But if it's very close, just at least make like little distance more, or you have to put a heat shield. Maybe no space, huh?
But always tell them, if you damage the board,
Yeah,
you
you
damage the
have to
board.
inform them because it's no space. That is the problem for the oven. Yeah.
No problem. After 1 year damage, no problem.
This is something which is very difficult to claim on the warranty.
No, that's the power of your pen. Now you can use your power of your pen. You put in the report, the situation question, the customer insists to install this one. Whatever happened for the board because of this issue,
I don't start up. I tell him already. Maybe he make the shield.
tell them it's a good sales for my group. For the spare parts.
From the beginning, the requirements with the machine is not
Followed.
not there. It's not followed. Then
What we can do?
it's automatically wrong. It's a design of the machine with the space.
Okay, it's not.
Before
I
they
don't
ask-
know why it's not coming. It's loading.
But
keep on
before
loading.
you need to
So I
ask
think
if
your
you
maintenance
design.
is finished again.
Maybe the Mabruk, the one who designed this.
So yung malakabit, gusto dapat, hindi mo yung pakong.
Okay. From the behind there is an extension. Huh? You can find there is columns, right? The oven, in the big oven. This is a big oven. In the big oven behind here, there is column. Just open the screws. You can extend like this till the wall. Okay.
Okay.
It goes till the wall. This is the like stopper you can use. You understand? Just try once. Maybe you can find.
Maybe if I go there, I will check.
Yeah, we'll check. Anyhow, you people understand this one. Next, we'll go to the slides. Yeah, this one you know. This one you know, right? To adjust. Yes. Yes. No? The door handle. If it's not exactly fitted, you have to not remove completely. Just lose it and move upward. If you remove completely, the plastic part will fall down. Then you have to struggle to remove that.
See, this is very nice. I tried to open this. I need to change at the back. The one that at the back, this one. If you do lock, the one will hold inside. There is two screws. The bottom, one at the bottom, one at the top. The problem is to remove because it's inside.
I did not understand what this is.
See, there is covers, huh?
Which covers?
This the door.
The side.
Side covers.
If you open, right, it will there is like hinges inside, and there is plastic at the back,
Yes.
and there is one metal strip inside the machine
Yes.
that hold this area.
Uh-huh.
If this is the area, if you want to change this one, because it's when you close, it will slowly open. Close again, even if the door,
It will go back.
it will go back. So
Ah.
we need to change the one inside. Changing this one,
Very difficult.
very nice.
You need to open that.
Yeah,
And
that's
I changed the big one, the one that the big machine.
Really?
Yeah, it's a big headache for me.
I know it's very difficult to change the inside part. I know it's very difficult.
What I did, I opened everything.
Everything you have to.
Then the one
Flip
inside,
back.
flip it like this, put something wood. I tried, but it's still very hard.
Very hard.
why you don't have easy access with that.
There's no opening at the back.
That part is never been break.
Yeah, but if there is opening at the side from the right side, it's very easy to change.
Yeah,
But there is
no opening from the right side.
You need to
Make weld.
no, not well. Because the screw is
If you
inside
want to
also.
replace that part, only option is which we said.
This is I'm already trying to ask you about this one, but maybe later I will ask
Yeah,
this one.
it's
But
difficult.
now we are here at the door.
Yeah,
I already asked
what
this one.
I understood because there is no other chance. It cannot go from the front. It can go only the sideways.
Inside, like the shield inside,
Shield, yeah.
you need to remove all the screws.
Yes.
Pull it like this, but it's not easy.
It's not easy. Yeah.
It's the first time I changed, but I think many times how to change these parts.
Papalitan sa factory boss, no? Dapat ano, permanent na.
Alala mo Pedro yung ano? Dito? Pero, kaya dito ang shop yun, pagbuhat nila doon, hindi na nasisira.
Yung sinadya yun.
Hindi, may nangyayari talaga yung pintuan. Kasi nga mo, bumabalik.
Meron pang ganun.
Lagyan lang ng lubid.
Yung kanto niya pala doon sa wala na punpun na. Punpun na yung kanuwan niya.
May bumabalik.
Maliit lang na portion dito.
Tapos yung papalitan mo, 90
Para
nila.
yun lang yung mabuksan.
Tayo siya.
Piniprevent nila kasi yung entry ng kaya 10 ulit.
Ah, yes, door latch.
Tapos yung papalitan mo is 90 nila.
बिरयानी फिश बिरयानी मटन बिरयानी चिकन बिरयानी होटल सबका भी पूछो
Tapos marami ka pang schedule, boss.
वन ओ क्लॉक भूख लग रहा है
Naubos na.
Bago naman. Bago na naman.
Bago na naman ito.
Ganda ng bula na nabili mo pala eh. Multi.
We check now. Door latch we just
Oh.
check.
Yeah, the small one I didn't even try, but the big one, the first time I changed, wala, the big one I direct go to
By
the
big,
big.
big one I'm imagining now.
The small one, I think
Small one is
a little bit easy, but the big one
on the
is
bottom.
Mm.
It's connected.
Bomba.
It's Wi-Fi, right? You have internet.
Parang hindi ba kasi ako tinatulog.
Sakit dun, sir.
We'll see. Download it.
if you have a video for this one for how to change the one inside, you know the price for this is very cheap, but the working for this one is too much.
Yes.
Iyak mo yun.
No,
Mild.
I understood. I will.
So what I'm concerned when I change this one, maybe I change the alignment for the door.